Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing another lash review, magnetic eyelashes, magnetic liner. This is from Arishine. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, so y'all know that I'm on the hunt for the best magnetic lashes and magnetic liner. So, let me open her up. See what we get up in here. And like always, I will leave everything in the description box below, letting you know about these lashes. So it says, dip the brush in the eyeliner, slowly guide the brush along your lash line, starting from the inner corner of the eye towards the outer corner. Angle the brush tip from the outer corner of the eye up toward the end of your brow, creating a flick. Fill in the wind with 1 or 2 strokes. Pop your magnetic lashes for bigger and sexier eyes. After using and taking off your lashes, clean the magnets carefully so you can reuse them. So I don't know if I should take it as something that they already misprinted something on the box. It says fill in the wind. Did they mean that or wing? I don't know. But this is what it comes like. Ooh, we get a gift voucher. Ooh, share your experience and get a free gift. Alright, so it comes with 2 tubes of magnetic liner, an applicator, which is metal, which I don't understand. You can't use metal applicators if you're applying magnetic lashes. Just a warning. So let me see. I'm going to pick one of these up. And the reason being is that it sticks, so when you apply it, it's going to tug. So it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets on these. I'm going to go ahead and cut them how I want them, and then I'll apply them. So let's read what it says. It says, shake the bottle before use and seal the bottle every time. After you, make sure to do the allergy test, which we didn't do, but maybe we should. It says, performance will be better if eyelashes are placed before the eyeliner dries completely. So let's get started. It says shake it. We don't shake it. The packaging is really pretty. It doesn't feel like it's cheap. So it's not clumpy. It's really liquid. Let me get something, a mirror, and I will draw the line. I'm going to do 2 coats just for good measure. It says to flick it out, but I don't want any wing today. And hopefully it will just pop right on. So we'll let it sit a minute to dry a minute. But it says don't let it dry down all the way. And we'll see. Hopefully it works. I'm going to use my rubber handle applicators because I don't want it to get stuck to the magnet. I'm waiting for my oldest son to come. He's taking me out for Mother's Day today. So it is Mother's Day when I'm recording this. Alright, let's see. I think that enough time's passed. It's not too dry down, so it's still a little taggy, which it says. I'm gonna pick it up and pop it on. Might be just a little bit too still long for me. Still pretty. And I will update y'all on how long they lasted, if they lifted throughout the day. We'll pop this one on. Let's see. This one I'm having more trouble with. Alright, so I think I got them pretty close to the lash line. We'll put some. Alright, so they're finally on. Let me zoom you in so you can see. So this is the lashes on. They're pretty cute. They're all the same style. I think once you squeeze them and get them closer to your lash line, they look really good. But I wouldn't recommend taking them off and reapplying them. It sticks too much. But still better than lash glue, in my opinion. Alright, so I will update y'all on the wear of these lashes. Guys, I will update y'all on the wear of these lashes in the description box. And I hope y'all enjoyed this review. Until next time, y'all stay blessed.